check out our shirt on Teespring.
Hey folks, for this video I'll be opening a 1988 Topps. Let's see what kind of buried treasures you'll find. Actually, this is the year I started collecting baseball cards. Lost most of my cards when I was stocking flood. But I gotta start over again. So you can buy a box of these on eBay for $25, but make sure you look at the price of shipping, because then they charge too much. So Terry McGriff, good Mark Davis. Yeah, he was with the Dodgers next year. 89 Dodgers, the World Series. He didn't really complete. This guy was my dare player. In your card. He never played the minors. He went straight to the majors. Okay. Be a Hall of Fame manager one day, says. Oh, speaking of Hall of Famer, Jimmy Rice. Or Jim Rice. What do you want to call him? I don't judge. Don Darling. And last one. That's pretty much it. So I got one Hall of Famer. Can't complain. So like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Maybe do better next time. Get better. Who knows? Miracles do happen.